Experiencing problems with your Ultramobile service? Let's get you back online. First, determine if it's a widespread outage. Check Ultramobile's official status page for updates. Use Down Detector to see if others are reporting similar issues. Also, search Ultramobile outage on Twitter for real-time user reports. If a major outage is confirmed, the best course of action is to wait for Ultramobile T-Mobile to resolve it. Outages can happen due to network maintenance or unforeseen technical difficulties. Knowing if it's a broad problem saves you time troubleshooting individual issues. If it's not a widespread outage, try these two key fixes. First, perform a SIM refresh. Power off your phone, remove the SIM card, reinsert it, and reboot the phone. This resolves temporary registration glitches. If the problem persists, you might need a carrier reset. This involves resetting your network settings. You can either do this through your phone's settings, search for Reset Network Settings in your phone's settings, or contact Ultramobile support for a remote reset. A carrier reset can fix APN misconfigurations that cause data issues. Remember, SIM refreshes solve about 65% of problems, and contacting support for a remote reset can help if the SIM refresh doesn't work.